Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. Thanks so much for joining me today. So our friends over at Dinosaur sent me this adorable little crochet kit. So stay tuned for this episode because we're going to be opening this together. So as you know, on this channel, we do podcasts, we do tutorials, we do crochet alongs. Oftentimes, I get to do a review of products that are on the market. And our friends over at Dinosaur sent me this adorable little dragon crochet kit. So we're going to open it together, see what's inside. First of all, it's in a nice little sealed package just like this. All right, let's go ahead and tuck into this. So I've just opened it. This is a crochet kit from our friends at Dinosaur. Okay, so it comes in this nice little pouch that you can actually keep your craft in until you finish it, but it also keeps everything nice and safe and clean. So here we've got our instructions. We're going to be making a dinosaur doll. And here is also a QR code that you can scan to do a step-by-step tutorial. It includes the yarn that you need, the fiber fill, the plastic eyes. It includes a crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a stitch marker. So basically everything that you need to do this project is all included in this kit. So this is going to be the body of the dinosaur. So this is sort of a tube, kind of a cotton yarn. And it looks like it's going to be acrylic, maybe some cotton. But if we take this label off, we see that there's some stitch markers inside. So that's nice. Oh, and that's kind of cool. It starts you off with your magic ring right there. So if you don't know how to do a magic ring, this starts you off right here. And it's got some nice little stitch markers there as well. This is going to be the contrast yarn. So this is going to be for his little belly, and then his the area across his back is going to be done in the yellow. I don't think there's anything in here, but let's take a look. All right, so this is just going to be your accent yarn. So that's good there. Here we've got your fiber fill, all shrink wrapped, so that's good, just enough to take care of this cutie. And then in here, which is nice and packed individually, we've got the crochet hook size that you need, which is going to be a 4.0. Which is great, and it's got the ergonomic handle. Feels pretty sturdy. It's not pulling out of the shaft, so that's good. This would be a hook that you could use definitely afterwards. And we've also got our darning needle to do our embellishments with. And it also has some more stitch markers, and it's got some safety eyes, and that's important because you want to make sure that it's going to be safe for all your kids, anybody that you give this to. Cool, I'm impressed. So we're going to give this one a try. We're going to try it out and see just how easy it is with the instructions. All right, so the first thing we need to do is, since we've already started the magic circle, we just need to do 6 single crochets around the magic ring and pull it tight. We're going to go ahead and start with our magic ring that's already right here. right, so we finished our adorable little dinosaur. This is from Dinosaur. This is the little Amigurumi kit that they sent me to go ahead and give it a try. And you know what? I loved it. It was so much fun. It was literally about a 2-hour deal. I just made them one night when I was doing my little, like watching TV. Very, very easy. Everything that I needed, except for scissors, was included. But, you know, I've never actually had an amigurumi kit that has scissors in it. Show me one that does, and maybe we'll talk. But I have a little bit of fiber fill left, and I have a little bit of extra yarn left here. The instructions, I have to say, very clear, very easy to understand. They were written out like this. Yeah. So you could just kind of see the list and all the different rows. It was 16 rows, 16 rounds, very easy. Then they give you information for the tail, for the arms, and the spine. Didn't take any time at all. And they even include a follow a step-by-step tutorial video QR code if you get lost, but I don't think you're going to get lost. It's pretty easy. So this again is from Dinosaur. This is their little amigurumi. I'm going to include a link to their website in the show notes. And you know what? They were so nice that they ended up giving me a code that I'm going to put in the show notes that you can go ahead and check out and use it to get your own little amigurumi. And they didn't have dinosaurs, you know, but they also had dogs and cats and really fun stuff. So if you're interested in trying amigurumi, give these guys a try. Dinosaur amigurumi. Really fun, super adorable. Great for someone who maybe is just starting out crocheting. Maybe if you have a kid in your life or something. Of course, you know, I did it. You can do it for yourself too. But maybe someone who's just learning how to crochet or knit. I think this is a great kit to go ahead and get started with. So fun, super adorable. Thanks, Dinosaur. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains doing our little Dinosaur review of their amigurumi kit. Love their stuff. Check them out. Use that discount code below and tell your friends about us. So as always, come back here, tune in, like and subscribe. We'll be doing more videos, more reviews just like this. Again, this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. And as always, I'll see you soon.